Hello everyone, my name is Austin and I am from RoboBionics. Today I am here to unbox our flagship product, Grippy. Today we have two things on this table. One is the Grippy, the actual box of how it is, the Grippy is packed. And second is the dummies which will be provided to the P&Os who we will be partnering with, okay, or who will be selling up Grippy as a product. If you see this packet, it gives an understanding about the commercials, what exactly he can do, and understanding about our company, and also the entities who are supporting us for this initiative. So let me go through with each and everything which is there in this box. First is your manual. So this is a technical manual which gives you understanding about what is there in the product and also what is there in the box. Okay. The first thing is the Grippy itself, the primary product. If you see, there is a gloves which is there, which is a skin color gloves, and also we have a rubber coating which gives you a good grip on each and every object which you actually grab on. Okay. We also provided one more glove with it, so that because it's a washable glove, you can wash it and you can replace it whenever you need and when it is dirty. Okay. Second thing is the sensors. So we provided two sensors. So it's all depend upon the P&O. If he needs one sensor for the user, you can use one of it, or if you need the two sensors, two will be the maximum sensors which will be used for our product. We have a battery which is 1000 mAh battery. Okay. We have the charging adapter. This is the adapter which is purely made only for Grippy, so try not to use any other adapter other than this.
We have feedback actuators, that is the patented technology of Grippy, which is sense of touch, which helps user to touch and feel the objects which Grippy is interacting with.
We have warranty card. After P&O sell it to any of the user, the person has to just come to our website and do this registration of the card, so that we get the information about the user and the product has been already sold out. We have a sensor kit, sensor dummy, which will be provided with each and every box here, because so that during the socket creation they can be used for it. As I told you before, as these two dummies, which are battery dummies and the wrist dummies, are not sacrificed for each and every socket, so we provide it once to the P&O so that they can reuse it for each and every socket which they provide to the user. That's it for today.